Hi, it's Grandpa from Grammy and Grandpa Reads, and today's book is You Know What? I Like Animals. It's by Bernice Wells Carlson. And it is a little bit of an older book. It's illustrated by Ruth Van Sciver, and it's an Abaddon Press book. All right, here we go. Joey lived in an apartment house. A sign on the door said, "No animals allowed in this building." You know what? Said Joey to himself. That sign is a joke. It really is a joke. I have lots and lots of animals in this building. Make-believe animals that live with me all day long. I have a make-believe monkey, a giraffe, a kangaroo, a little brown bear, an elephant, a bulldog, a moose, and a raccoon. One morning, exactly 7 o'clock, Joey woke up, got up, and started to dress. "Where's my shoe?" called Joey. "Look for it," answered his mother. Joey smiled to himself. "I know," he said. "My monkey is hiding my shoe under the chair." At 7:30, breakfast was ready. Joey said his father, "You are very slow about eating." "You know what?" said Joey. "I'm waiting. My giraffe likes to smell my toast and listen to my cereal crackle. I can't eat until he has finished smelling and listening." After breakfast, Joey went for a bus ride with his grandmother. The bus was almost full, but grandmother found a seat. Joey squeezed in next to grandmother. More people got on the bus, and still more people. "Joey, don't try to talk to me," said his grandmother. "It's too noisy here." Joey couldn't talk. He couldn't move. He couldn't see much except people's clothes. Joey closed his eyes and thought, "My kangaroo is riding with me, and it is making me feel very crowded." When Joey and grandmother came home, Joey played with his baby sister Debbie. They built a skyscraper with blocks. The blocks fell down. Bang! Debbie started to cry. "Don't cry, Debbie," said Joey. "You know what? My little brown bear knocked the blocks down." At 12 o'clock, it was time for lunch. "Eat your soup and salad," urged Mother. "I'm thinking," said Joey. "I'd like to give my soup to my elephant." At 2 o'clock, Joey's mother said, "I think it is time for the mailman to come. Joey, will you go see if he brought any letters?" Joey ran to the mailboxes. "No letters," called Joey, "but you know what? My bulldog brought me a magazine." At 3 o'clock, Joey's brother, Al, came home from school. Joey was waiting for him. "Want to race?" asked Al. "Sure," said Joey. And they raced down the sidewalk. "I beat you," shouted Al. "Yes," said Joey, "but you know what? My moose beat you." At 6 o'clock, Mother called, "Joey, Al, time to get ready for supper." Joey and Al washed their faces and hands. They used lots of water. "Oh," sighed Joey, looking at the water on the floor, "my raccoon is washing too. He really shouldn't splash so much." After supper, everyone was busy. Mother gave Debbie a bath. Grandmother put away the supper dishes. Al played scales on the piano, and Daddy read the paper. Joey read pictures out loud. All the make-believe animals listened. Mother came into the living room, followed by Debbie, all clean from her bath. "It's almost 7:30, said Mother. "What shall we do before Debbie goes to bed?" "Play horses," said Joey. "Want to ride on my back, Debbie?" asked Al. "I'll be that horse," announced Daddy. Mother put Debbie on Daddy's back. Joey, Al, and Daddy played. They were 3 horses in a corral. They went around and around the room. Debbie rolled off Daddy's back. Grandmother and Mother laughed and laughed. "How about a song?" asked Mother. "A horse song," begged Joey. "All right," said Mother, "a cowboy song." Everyone sang, even Debbie. When the song was over, Grandmother said, "Joey, I didn't hear your animals singing." "Animals?" asked Joey. "Oh, the make-believe animals? They've gone away." They went to visit another boy. "I like animals," said Joey as he yawned and yawned again. "But you know what? I like people too. It seemed to me that he was using his animals as excuses for things that he did that weren't all that great. He should be thinking he was learning to be a better boy. Anyway, if you like our videos, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and tell all your friends. Thanks.